In a world where time seemed to stand still, there lived a peculiar hamster named Harold. Harold was not an ordinary hamster, for he had a peculiar ability: he could speak the language of humans. One day, Harold found a peculiar globe in his cage. It was not a toy, but a magical artifact that transported him to the human world. Intrigued, Harold ventured into the unfamiliar realm, leaving his cozy burrow behind. In the human world, Harold found himself in a bustling city. He was overwhelmed by the noise, the crowd, and the towering buildings. He felt lost and alone, a tiny creature in a vast, concrete jungle. A kind-hearted girl named Lily, on her way home from school, found Harold. She was surprised to see a talking hamster, but she did not hesitate to take him in. She named him Mr. Peculiar and promised to take care of him. Life in Lily's home was peaceful. Harold learned about the ways of humans, their laughter, their sorrow, their dreams, and their fears. He saw the beauty in their simplicity and the complexity in their lives. But Harold couldn't shake off the feeling of belonging somewhere else. He yearned for the comfort of his burrow, the familiar scent of his cage, and the simplicity of a hamster's life. One day, Harold found a way back to his world. He bid farewell to Lily, promising to return and share his newfound wisdom. He returned to his burrow, to the simplicity of his life, but with a newfound appreciation for the complexity of the human world. Harold's journey was a reminder that no matter where we are, we yearn for something more, something different. It's in the pursuit of these yearnings that we grow, learn, and ultimately find our true home. In the end, Harold was not just a peculiar hamster. He was a bridge between two worlds, a symbol of curiosity, and a reminder of the beauty in our differences.